this week. Hindi ko alam kung may work ako next week kasi wala akong natanggap na roster pa. You wanna say good morning, my love?
Magandang umaga. Kumusta?
Mabuti. Ikaw? What's gonna be your answer if someone asks you kumusta?
Sorry?
What's gonna be your answer if someone asks you kumusta?
Mabuti.
Mabuti! That's good! Akala namin magte-turn right silang lahat. Naku, bagal-bagal pa nito naman. 4:46 na. It's fine, my love. Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo yun. In-overtake niya yung dalawang nasa harap namin. Ang Daddy Marky natin ay car, speed racer. No, we still have 12 minutes. It's not enough? 4:48 na, guys. Madali na naman ang Daddy Marky. Mamadali siyang umuwi para matulog ulit. Are you going straight to Iran? No. I already feed the girls, so it's fine.
Feeling sleepy.
Okay. Another overtake, guys. Bilis-bilis na. Wala namang camera dito. Naka-off siya 1:30. Ayan, kanina naka 1:30 yan. Ay, nako, Markay. Ayan, nagdala pala tayo ng leche flan kasi gusto ni Sandra, yung friend ko sa hotel. Yung asawa niya ang nag-recommend sa akin sa work. Kaya, nandyan pa rin kami hanggang ngayon. Morning, Bree! Guys, wala pang tao. Naka-off pa rin ang mga ilaw. Ay, ay, ay. Moist lahat, guys, kasi may aircon na dito sa restaurant. Dati wala. Set up tayo ng bathrooms. Nakalimutan ko sabihin, deli pala ako today. Hindi ako sa breakfast. Ayan, gumawa tayo ng potato salad. Meron din tayong Greek salad. Pakita ko pa. Ayan, ang ating Greek salad. So, ayan, last delivery natin, granola and fruits. Kulay, di ba? Ang colorful. Cute. I'm proud of myself.
Hey.
Boy,
Okay.
love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Tapos natin kausapin si Jack. Daddy Marky went to his running. Almost 20k, guys. He started running 10:30. And we are on the way home. Another day, another shift finish. Work tayo Monday, Tuesday.
You need anything from Aldi?
No, my love. You need anything from Aldi? I don't know. We still have the condensed. That's all I need at the moment.
Thank you. Kill the Hussein is going to open up from the Stanley Street end of the ground.
That was it.
Just have a bit of room. Oh, the batsmen almost got in each other's way there.
Catch a decent wicket, now he's over the other side of the ground.
Ryan's going to play his...
Guys, first time ko lang gamitin dito sa may ulo ko tong kanda. Oh my gosh. Ang bigat kasi ng hair ko, laging na tong batok at saka leg. Happy Monday. Yan ang weather natin today, maulan. 4:43 on the way to work. Pangit ng weather, so cloudy. you, Higgins job. Higgins Jewelry. Yan ang weather. Yan pala guys, first delivery natin. Kailangan ko ng salad so yan hapon, walang Christmas. Yan ang ating Christmas tree pag may lunch. Guys, 12:07 na pero nagmadagdag sila. Ay nako, busy ang deli natin. So that's our deli. Did you sell all the halloumi? Save it for Friday. Guys, tapos na ang shift natin. Look at Daddy Marky! Ay, nalis na niya yung balbas sa kabigot.
alone. And it's now said Constance was building it with it. Right, can you go to Active Square, please?
It looks different, Mom.
Three tins are deep as well, but finally in place.
Andito kami sa workshop ni Daddy Marky kasi gagawin niya yung greenhouse. Kailangan namin ng mga materyales na hihiramin. Si Queen. Ayan, finally, after a year, matatapos na rin ni Daddy Marky ang ating greenhouse. Diyos mio, por favor. Kagagaling lang ng work, guys. Sabi ko, tara na, bili tayo ng ano na kailanganin para maayos mo na before ka bumalik sa work. Balik siya sa work Monday next week. Yan ang weather. Okay, boss! Let's lock already, mahal.
Sorry?
Hiramin natin to. Tulungan naman natin siya maglinis. Mag-leads tayo. Feel na feel ko rin maglinis kasi walang masyadong araw. Hindi tayo masyadong pagpapawisan kasi umulan kanina. Mga tanim natin nandito na sa labas. Yan sa mantala. Goal ni Daddy Marky matapos ang greenhouse natin before siya pumasok next week. Yan na ang update after few minutes.
Cool. Dip. Lift right up.
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 Perfect.
Happen. What did you say?
There's the boxing done.
No, love it.
Love it.
Oh, tignan mo.
Okay. Now the plastic down and then the rocks. I need a pair of scissors, Mahako. Might go down a little.
Guys, ayan na ang update. Naglalagay na si Daddy Marky ng Gravel. Love, what you call this again?
Road gravel.
Road gravel.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the first half of a metre of road gravel, blend to make our perfect nursery, which the Queen Emmeline has been waiting for a year to get done.
Finally!
Ay, ay, ay.
Take a video of your reaction today. Kabandunggan, pag-construction na niya. So, si Daddy Marky ang nagkukuha ng mga road gravel sa sasakyan. Tapos ako naman yung nag-i-spread. Bandung, guys. Finally! After 1 year of waiting, my king.
I had to learn how to properly do it. Perfect. And with my knowledge and skills now that I've learned from Focus Fencing, from Tony and the crew,
I'm now focused.
I'm focused.
Ay. Dream team. Power couple. Pawis. Moses. Grabing pawis yun, oh. Ayan yung last na nilagay ni Daddy Marky, guys. Ayan na siya. Moses. Tapos yung sukat ng nakalagay na dito, may kalahati pa dun sa pinagbilhan namin. Kasi yung trailer, hindi kasha. Hindi kasha yung road, gravel na binili namin. So that is $87. Kung hindi daw magkasya, bili pa siya ng kalahati. Sabi ko, this is on me kasi this is my project. This is my greenhouse. I mean, ako yung nag-insist na gumawa kami ng greenhouse kasi ang dami nating tanim, guys. Galing pa ako ng work nito, ha. Pero I'm good. Nagpawis tayo. Love it. So, ibalik natin tong cute tsaka yung trailer. Tapos kunin natin si Queenie sa shed. Iniwan namin si Queenie doon. 5:14 na. Is it 5:14? Is that correct? That's wrong. Even the date. Oh yeah,
5:40.
5:40. What time did we start doing it?
2:10.
Huh? Is it?
Yep.
3 hours.
How's it impacted your life? 1300 777.
Yan, inaalis na ni Daddy Marky ang trailer sa may sasakyan. Napaka-komplikado din pala ito. No? Hanggang sa maalis siya doon sa may ayun, maalis na. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Luto naman kami ni Daddy Marky. Nakasalang ako ngayon ng lumpia and then Daddy will make rissoles. Rissoles. Daddy Marky. That's her version of rissoles, guys. Burger patty ko naman. Ayan na yung mixture natin. Ang ating rissoles. For sure, dami na namang huhugasan, guys. Ay, bungkang daming ingredients nito.